guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Janice, and today's video is going to be a day in my life, what I do on a regular day. So if you are new, welcome to my regular whole subscribers. Hi.
Good morning. I am having one of those lazy mornings where I don't want to get up, but I have to get up, so let's do it. It's been a rough couple days. I haven't done a cleaning video in like however long the last one was, but today we're gonna do a day in my life. So this is where we begin. I need to get Madison dressed. She's my youngest. She's my 6-year-old, and then my 11-year-old son already dressed himself. So we're gonna see about some breakfast for them and make their lunches and get them out the door. So let's do it. First things first, I need a tights for the little one. I need something light that can go under her. Need an underwear, and I also need socks.
I am not a morning person. It takes me forever to get out of bed every single morning. No matter how early I go to bed, it takes me forever to get up out of bed. My therapist had me going to bed at 8 o'clock, and I still cannot get up. Even though I'm up at 5, my body is just like, no, what are we doing? So it's a struggle to get out the door in the morning to go drop these kids off. I'm over it. I'm at the point where I just want to get them out of private school and just like, hey, you're going to catch the bus, go to public school and get on the bus, because I'm over it. I am just over it. Is anybody else over it? Because I am.
That's one thing I cannot do is, good morning. How are you? All right. So I'm just going to get their stuff ready, and then we're going to come back and start today, because I cannot record and do what I have to do because it takes way too much time, and it's 7:15 and I got to leave out of here in 10 minutes. Okay, so yeah, let's do it.
I see it in your eyes.
Come on, bro. Okay, so for lunch they're gonna have yogurt, their juice, a little mini cookie situation, and then Jackson chose a fruit. Maddie did not want it because she said it takes too long, and then they're gonna have peanut butter and jelly. Turn that down.
We'll work it out, you'll see. If we get in a car and drive someplace far, yeah, we could go for a ride. The two of us, we don't have to stop. Baby, let's go for a ride. You and I, let us run away. We can go where we want. I'll have your back if you'll have mine. You and I wanna leave everything behind. If you want.
So my therapist and I have been working on a schedule, trying to minimize the stress that I have in my life, and so far so good. We're working on a lot of things, trust me. And I like the way in which it's leading me in the direction in which I'm going, because I feel like I need guidance in order for me to be successful in life. And I love having guidance, someone to, kind of like help you along, like give you that little push. And I'm excited because I am going back to school to get my master's in counseling. And just saying that out loud is just like, whoa, what are we doing here? You know what I mean? It's like I've been a parent for so long. I've been a parent for 17 years. I became a very young parent. I got married very young, and I put everything on the back burner when it came to my schooling. And it's so crazy to think that I am going to go back and finish what I started years ago. And I'm excited for that. I am extremely excited. So I'm just here to tell you guys that it's never too late to do what it is that you enjoy doing in life. Go for it.
Let's go. Okay. We're almost out of here.
Pick up your jacket off the floor. Don't step on it. I'm in flip-flop in the wintertime. Okay, I'm back home, but let me clean out this truck. I need that.
We don't have to stop, baby, let's go for a ride. You and I, let us run away. We can go where we want. I'll have your back if you'll have mine. You and I.
Okay, so I have my therapy appointment. I have to fix this mess. I have my therapy appointment at 11. I believe it's at 11. I also have to work out. I usually work out at 8. But I don't know if I want to push my workout until 12 o'clock and just spend the next 2 hours cleaning. I think I'm going to do 2 hours cleaning and then therapy and then workout. Let's do that.
I'm going out with you tonight. Are you close to here? I'm feeling down, I don't know why. No, it's so surreal. Think I want you here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much.
Okay, so the bed is made. My husband likes when the bed is made, so figured I would do that, and then later I'll come and vacuum the floor. He bought a rocking chair for right here, so I'll probably bring that up for him. But yeah, bed's made. Okay, now we have to work on laundry because I have a lot of laundry. I have laundry right here, so let's work on laundry. So I have a load from yesterday evening. I'm just gonna put it in the dryer.
Like a summer night. I'm feeling down, I don't know why. What an alibi. But I'm glad you're here. Oh, 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 oh.
Okay, so this, I got makeup on my husband's shirt the other day when I was in church. So I'm just gonna put some salt on it and see if it come out. Okay, so so I got bulk of stuff done up here. I'm gonna go downstairs, and the rest, whatever is up here, can stay. I have to get majority of the work done downstairs, so but I had to make sure that my bed was made because the hubby likes when the bed's made. So yeah, so let's tackle this hot mess.
Slow it down. Baby, you're so hasty. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so hasty. We don't need to go on a fast. I need this night to last. Baby, you're so hasty. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so hasty. We don't need to go on a fast. I need this night to last. Baby, you're so hasty. We don't need to go on a fast. I need this night to last. Hey, this might come out as total madness, but just wait. I really need to tell you something. 'Cause I feel alone in a room, surrounded by people. I wanna know if you're feeling it too. Out on the roof, here with you, it all seems so distant. With you, under streetlights, right next to the skyline. With you, yeah, you. I've been a cynic for so many of my days. Now you just might make a believer out of me. 'Cause you look so pretty in the sunrise, and somehow now everything is alright.
Okay, so it's 9:22. I have to stop at 10, but the kitchen is all straightened up. Just have dishes. The kids do dishes. So we are moving on to the living rooms. We have plenty of those. We got that one, and we have that one. So let's get going.
Okay guys, so this entire space, this living room and the one across from it, is getting a whole entire makeover. This wall that you're looking at is very awkward. Had the words or letters spelled out home on it for the longest time, so I decided I was gonna switch it out for, you know, a bit of a change. It's been there for several years, and I just was like, okay, it's time to change. And then after that, I went to my therapist appointment, and then after that, I just was like, I am done. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye guys.
I've been a cynic for so many.
I'm done with my therapy. I'm pumping some gas. I'm gonna put like $40 in here because this is a loaner, and I don't know when they're coming to get it. So I guess it's $3.29. So I'm just gonna put $40 in here. Okay, guys. So I am back home. Unfortunately, this is where I end for the day with cleaning. My therapist gave me an assignment, so I'm gonna go do that assignment. I'd rather do the assignment than to finish clean. This is a day in my life, not no one else's but mine. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye guys.